This is a quick educational guide on how to buy shares of Actia Group SA. Actia is a French electronics and telematics supplier for automotive and industrial markets, listed on Euronext under the ticker ALATI.PA. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to your account before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALATI.PA to locate the Actia listing. Make sure you select the correct Euronext listing for Actia Group SA. Open the Actia asset page to review basic company information in the price chart. Confirm the company name, listing venue, and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. Click the Trade or Invest button. Enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be placed as a pending order or executed when the market opens. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio. A soft link to eToro and more information is provided in the description below.